Physical resilience is something that's really important to me because I've never really been the strongest person. It is also something that I've had to work hard to gain. Throughout all the years and throughout all the hardships and trials, I have learned that at least 4 things help me build my physical resilience. One of the things being sleep. When I get enough sleep at night, it helps my body heal and gain energy that I need. 2 is a healthy diet. When I eat healthy, my body is healthy and is more able to have more physical strength to get through the day. 3 is exercise. When I exercise, it helps keep my heart healthy, my muscles healthy, and my joints healthy. Finally is doing activities that you love. Whatever we can wind down with and let our bodies and minds relax with will help us a lot. So, what's in your resilience kit?